There's Granddad teaching Ben how to do this. What are you doing?
I'm sliding down a hill.
You little glacier? Alright, have fun.
Fire in the hole.
If you get killed, can I have your iPod?
Now get the paper.
You are burning it up. Smoking it, dude. Do it.
I'm coming for you. Chuck Nibbit.
Oh, he's gonna crash into the rocks. Oh, oh.
That's great.
Are you gonna ski? Are you gonna ski down?
Yeah.
We're at the mountain, and there's some snow, and we're skiing down.
Yeah. Ow.
It's kind of violent, though.
Okay. I think that.
Oh, I think this is wonderful. This is the third time these guys have been up here. They've slid down twice already.
Go get him, kids. Hi.
Good luck.
Adios, Chavo. You turkey, you stole my sled. Those up there, he's coming down one more time. We got Dad and Ben. I went down a couple times. Here comes Theo. He's gonna give himself a wedgie. Oh, oh, ladies and gentlemen.
You made it all the way down.
Good stop. Good stop. That's about. Theo is coming down first. Whoops, he just stopped. Ben has crashed. Ben is in the yellow parka. Now here come both of them. Ben is skiing. Whoops, he went down. Well, we got a good ride from up at the top of the snow. In fact, we all wondered if we would die at the bottom.
It was a little scary.
Yeah, it was a little scary.
I was scared and my butt hurts.
Oh, my feet are cold.